Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. I've been away for a while, but I'm excited to reconnect with all of you. I love to hunt and fish. Actually, I love to do a lot of things, but I really love to create wildlife art, both 2D and 3D. It's how you bring nature indoors. Here's my idea. It's tutorial time. And I mean a complete tutorial. For those of you interested in learning how to create your own fish replica of a fish that you caught, or maybe it's a fish your son or daughter caught, or perhaps it's your grandkids. Why would you even want to? Because it creates and preserves your fishing experience for a lifetime. Plus, it's so cool. And it deeply immerses you into the nature you love. Like these. Let's take a look. So get ready to learn the techniques and skills needed to create a unique and personalized fish replica that captures the essence of your fishing experience. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will be back sometime after the 4th of July to start the tutorial. Episode 1, Composing Your Idea. I'll see you next time. I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. We gone.